So day 8 of the China radish. As I said before, these ones need a little bit more water, and I'm just going to do that around the edge and just make sure it's evenly covered. They'll soon soak that up. These could be harvested now. I'm going to leave them to fill out a little bit more. Yeah, they get denser, but they're one of the speediest. So we say 7 to 10 days, and these would be ready now. So you could harvest them and let them regrow, which I will do some more videos on that. But if you're also planting on rotation, then you'll have the next batch coming along anyway. So it's not a case of sort of, waiting for to plant again. As I said, the kits are designed that you plant one, and then when you bring these ones into light, you plant the next one. So I'll put these back in the light and see where they are in a few days.